Okay, we're coming to you from Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio. And today we're doing a video shoot on our 2018 ATC Raven 24-foot car hauler. This model has the Car Hauler Plus package, so it's got some nice option content. Car Hauler Plus package. So all aluminum construction. We equip it with 5,200 pound Dexter Torsion Easy Lube axles, spread axle configuration, 42-inch spread, full perimeter aluminum frame, 10,000 pound coupler, flat front nose, LED lights, light pewter metallic side sheets, screwless sides, one-piece aluminum roof, all kinds of option content. ATCs are extremely high quality, well built, well engineered aluminum enclosed car hauling trailers. They really set the standard in the industry. They've got a fantastic warranty. This one in particular has the Car Hauler Plus package, which has a lot of nice option content inside the trailer. But as you pan down the side, you'll notice the flush mount LED lights, screwless sides. This also has the street side premium escape door, which we have open. Raven, you shit. You're such a shit. Are we still filming? All right, let's keep going. Just keep rolling. Come on here. Stay here since you're here. All right, so we're still filming. That was Raven. Premium escape door with the struts already up. The fender box removed. Now the beauty of this deal is, as a car guy, you know that it's impossible to pull your car into these trailers, into an enclosed trailer and get the door open and get out. We just simply physically can't do it. Well, now you can. So this is a watertight box. This is a monster door. It's about a $2,000 option, but it's the only way to go. If you're going to spend 15 grand, why not spend 17, 18 grand and get a trailer you can actually use? How much money do you have invested in your car? How much money did you spend on your paint? I mean, it's foolish not to get it. So we're ordering every single Raven with that escape door. Nice thing is it's got a little step here, so you can step in and out of the car. Once you're getting out of the car, you have a way to step in and out. Notice that you've got 15-inch 225 15 8-ply radial tires that are already installed, or already have nitrogen in them. The fender box slips right back in place. The door comes down, seals it up, everything's good. Come over here, Kayla. Got Clayton coming in. Come on up over here. Back at the ramp, you'll notice that we have a ramp extension, black coin floor. This is a nice anti-skid surface. Beavertail, 4-foot Beavertail. Facilitates getting your car in even the low slung cars. The walls and ceiling are finished in vinyl, or excuse me, aluminum. This has a 110 package, a 30 amp motor base, 25 ship to shore cord. AC prep is already done. That's a big deal. So the roof vent is already pre-wired for air conditioning. So if and when the day comes that you want to add air, it's easy to do. There's already a home run to the box. Here it is right here, AC prep. So putting air conditioning in this trailer is like a 45-minute installation. Really easy to do. Smart. These guys are smart. Look at the fit and finish in here. LED ceiling lights that are 110. Outlets inside and outside of the trailer. Beautiful cabinetry. Look at the attention to detail. How they caulk everything. There's little rubber deals to protect the wall when you open up the cabinet doors. Just phenomenal workmanship, man. These cats have really got it going on. For 4 years, 5 years, we have been looking for a extremely well-built, high-quality enclosed car trailer. We finally got it with ATC. I'm a car guy. I collect Buicks. So I live in this world. I speak this language, and I can tell you these things are second to none. Fantastic trailer. This is where the prop rods live for the premium escape door. What else can I tell you, man? Just a phenomenal trailer. We sell this one. The trailer weighs 3,600. It weighs 3,500. It weighs 3,570. 3,570 is the unladen weight. 10,000 GVW. LTS price $17,995 plus tax. $17,995 for this trailer in stock today at Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio. Pick up the phone and give us a call.